Not sure if you know this, but when we first met, I got so nervous I couldn't speak. In that very moment, I found the one, and my life had found its missing piece. So as long as I live, I love you, will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white, and from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. What we have is timeless, my love is endless, and with this ring I say to the world, you're my every reason, you're all that I believe in. With all my heart I mean every word. So as long as I live, I love you, will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white, and from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. Ooh, you look so beautiful in white. Na, 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 na. So beautiful in white tonight. And if a daughter is what our future holds, I hope she has your eyes, finds love like you and I did. Yeah, but when she falls in love, we'll let her go, and I'll walk her down the aisle. She looks so beautiful in white. You look so beautiful in white. So as long as I live, I love you, will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white, and from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white Hindi man araw-araw na nakangiti, Ilang beses na rin tayong humihindi, di na mapilang ang ating mga tampuhan. Away bati natin di na namamalayan. Eto tayo, ngunit sa huli palagi pabalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Hanggang sa huli palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mong iyo ko palagi. Kung balikan man ang hirap, luhat lahat, ikaw ang paborito kong desisyon. At pag napaligiran ang ingay at ang gulo, di ko pagpapalit ngiti mo sa mundo. Eto tayo, sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Hanggang sa huli palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mong iyo ako. Sa pagdating ng ating pilak at ginto, diamante may abutin, ikaw pa rin aking bituin, natatangi kong dalangin hanggang sa huling siglo. Sa huli palagi pabalik pa rin sa yakap mo, mahal. Sa huli palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mong iyo ako palagi.
I wanna make you smile whenever you're sad, carry you around when your arthritis is bad. All I wanna do is grow old with you. I'll get you medicine when your tummy aches, build you a fire if the furnace breaks. Oh, it could be so nice growing old with you. I'll miss you, kiss you, give you my coat when you are cold. Need you, feed you, even let you hold the remote control. So let me do the dishes in our kitchen sink, put you to bed when you've had too much to drink. Or I could be the man who grows old with you. I wanna grow with you.
Gusto kitang isayaw ng mapakal. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mapakal. Lawak kamay
Ano video to Arsen? Ang mga kakakita ng kutan. Mga pising-sing. Walang sing-sing. Ano yan? O ano yan? Bakit? Strawberry. Walang bakal.
Binabalik niya pang mamahal.
Tsaka siya. Walang bakal. Ang bago lalo. Nakabaglar.
Si Mama kinikilig. Kinikilig si Mama.
I can't remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can't do. Through the years, you've never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I've loved the life we've made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I listened to before. I swear you've taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so. But through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. Through the years when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, I never had a doubt we'd always work things out. I've learned what life's about by loving you through the years. Through the years, you've never
Hello ate, hello kuya. Happy 25 wedding anniversary. More blessings to come and God bless.
Hello ate, hello kuya. Happy wedding anniversary. Wishing you both all the love and happiness on your anniversary. God bless you. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Happy 25th anniversary, Kuya Ate. Wishing you lots of love and happiness. Take care always.
Baj and Ariel, happy anniversary!
Nagulat kayo? Siguro hindi nyo alam na akalain na isa ako sa magbibigay ng mensahes ngayong araw. Hello Kuya, Ate! I congratulate you both of your 25th anniversary. I hope your relationship continues to grow strong and lasting, that no obstacles or challenge will ever break your bond. Again, wishing you many more years of happiness, Ate and Kuya. Love you both. Bye-bye.
Hello, magandang hapon sa inyong lahat, mga kumain ko, kumpay ko, kaibigan ko, empleyado ko. Nagpapasalamat ako sa inyo ng lubos-lubusan sa pagtulong nyo at pagdalo nyo dito sa aming maliit na handaan ng 25 anniversary ng asawa ko, yung mga anak ko, pamilya ko. Kung puso, nagpapasalamat ko sa inyo sa pag-atin sa handaan na ito na maliit lamang. Sana dahil papano magtayo sanang magbabago sa pagmamahal na ninyo sa amin, lalong-lalo na sa inyong lahat. Lubos-lubos ang kasiyahan ko at kasiyahan ng buong pamilya ko. Buong puso kami nagpapasalamat sa inyong lahat na pumunta dito. Salamat sa inyong lahat.